Today, we're going to look at Redmine. It's the most popular open source project management tool. It's used by hundreds of thousands of teams all over the world, from the city of Amsterdam to the University of Oxford. I'm working at Planeo, a Redmine hosting provider, so what you're seeing here is Planeo's version of Redmine. Here's the activity page for Redmine. You can add new people to your project and give them specific roles. The core of Redmine are the issues. You can track the amount of time spent on them, their status, and to whom the issue is assigned. That helps you to create reports based on the hours tracked. The Roadmap tab is great for seeing what's coming up in the future. To see how the different parts of the projects relate to each other, you can use the Gantt chart. There is also a calendar view of your tasks. The blog is perfect for making big announcements, such as a project kickoff. The wiki is great for writing up an internal manual, creating documentation for your software, or any other knowledge management. Redmine is extendable with plugins. Here I'm looking at the Agile plugin. We've included it as standard at Planeo. You can see which tasks haven't been started yet, which tasks are in progress, and which tasks are done. And there are even more extra features included in Planeo's Redmine. For example, hosted Git and Subversion repositories are tightly integrated into Redmine, ready to go. The CRM and help desk, so you can answer customer emails right from your Redmine account. You'll shorten the feedback loop between customers and your dev team. Planeo is also a fully fledged IRC server rolled into Redmine. You'll have a channel to discuss Redmine issues in real time, and you'll have chat logs right in your Redmine issue history. So, that's an overview of Redmine. It's a very powerful tool for working together in teams. If you want to try it out yourself, you can click the link below the video and create an account over at Planeo. Thanks for watching.